Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact Google Sheet and selecting the Sheet tab where data lives. Once done, highlight the header and the column or range you'll search, for example A2, A100, so formulas reference stable cells. Make sure to decide whether you need exact matches, partial matches, or case sensitivity. That choice determines which function to use. You'll save time later by naming ranges or locking headers with absolute references before writing formulas. Now you build the search. If you need a position, use match. For retrieving values, use VLOOKUP or index with match for more flexibility. Once you want multiple results, apply filter with criteria. For patterns, use rejects match inside filter. Combine searches with wildcards or use lower to normalize case so comparisons work reliably. Also wrap formulas with IFER to return a friendly message instead of an error. This helps users understand when nothing matches. Finish by validating and refining the output. Run COUNTIF to confirm expected match counts and apply conditional formatting to highlight odd results so you can inspect them. Make sure formulas use absolute references like $1.2, $1.100 when copied across cells, and protect key ranges if needed. If results look wrong, a frequent fix is cleaning data. Use trim to remove stray spaces and lower to normalize case. Then rerun the search. If you still see errors,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.